Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Gilbert, and in this video today I will be dropping tutorial how to set up your YouTube account. Okay, it has been a lot of questions by viewers how to set up YouTube account. Now one thing I want you to understand, setting up YouTube account is very easy, as simple as that. No, knowledge is power, baby. You don't have the insights, you don't have the information, you don't have the knowledge about. That's why I'm dropping this video to you guys how to set up your YouTube account. Now I'm in my last previous video I did how to set up YouTube. Then in this video today I'm talking about how to set up your YouTube account. Now guys, now listen. Now you setting up your YouTube account, get to get to Google, download Google Play Store, and search on your Google search. You can use voice, you can use search YouTube app. You get a lot of it. You have YouTube Studio, we have YouTube, you see, but just you download YouTube. Now when you download your YouTube, what next you do again? You open your Google account. You open your Google account, your Gmail Google account. You sign up, you put in your number and all that. You sign up. Okay. YouTube will demand you your Gmail. Then use your Gmail. You can use franksuccess@gmail.com, and you click it, and you will open your account. You open your YouTube. Then once you have been sent an invoice message by YouTube in your Gmail, you click it. Then you see where it has been already been placed. Upload your YouTube shorts, then your video, your picture, your what is your nick, what are you actually good of. So you can write down what you are good at, your trailer, at your video, at your photo cover. Okay, you drop your brand, what you are good of, what you are actually coming into YouTube for. Okay, you set it up. So okay guys, I'm using my mobile smartphone to set up my YouTube account. So I have to go to my Google Play Store. I go to my Google Play Store. This is my Google Play Store. I click it. Then I have to download my YouTube on my Google Play Store. Then I have to search for my YouTube app. I have to search YouTube app. So guys, you can see I have seen my YouTube app on my Google Play Store. Then I have to download it. I click. You can see I have already downloaded my YouTube app on my Google Play Store. Then I have to sign up with my Google Gmail account. And guys, one thing you must know, before signing up on your YouTube app, you have to have Gmail account. Then this is my Gmail account, and this is my name, Gilbert Reality Blog, and YouTube have asked me to add my account. You can see I've already got my account. I don't want to add any other account. Then I go back. Then this is my channel. Your channel. Turn on your incognito. Added account. Get YouTube Premium. Get YouTube Premium. Time watch your data in YouTube setting. Then I go for YouTube setting. Then this is general setting. I have to turn off my take a break. Remind me when it is bedtime. I have to turn off. Choose your light, dark or theme preference. Playback in feed. Choose whether video play as you browse. Double tap to seek. Zoom to free screen, always zoom so that video fill the screen in full. Uploads, specific network preference for upload, voice search, language, this food. Then I have to set this in this pattern to my channel to be viewed. Then I click back. Then this is my YouTube history. This is my videos, and if I want to upload short videos, then I go for short. This is short upload. I click back again. So this is my subscriptions. This is all my subscriptions. I have subscribed to other channels. So guys, and we are going back to YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio is also linked in your YouTube account. That one you have to download your separate YouTube Studio. This is my YouTube Studio where I have to go and set up my account very well. Then I click my YouTube Studio. So guys, you can see that takes me to my YouTube Studio. This is my YouTube Studio. Gilbert Reality Blog. I have gotten 1,560 subscribers, and my channel analysis is 1,000. This is my channel analysis. 1,580, 158.4k views in last 28 days. And this is my content. And this is my audience, and this is my revenue streams. I have not yet been monetized in my channel, but I have gotten complete subscription and 4,000 views to be monetized. But I have to apply for YouTube to monetize me. Then I go back. So guys, this is my analysis, and this is my comment. Then I go back to my dashboard. Okay guys, you can see this is my watch hour time. Then I click back. Now if I want to edit my profile piece, this is where you have to edit your YouTube profile. You click and it will take you to profile. This is where I edit my profile. You can see this is Gilbert Reality Blog, visible to all users on YouTube. So guys, you can see I say changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. You can see I have saved. Now if you want to description, this is my description. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gilbert Chidubem. I am an online entrepreneur business coach. I teach and educate young people on finance and lifestyle content careers and product advertising. I expect to be a resource in acquiring new language and skill and sharing useful information with my audience on how to become successful in life. Please stick to my channel, keep on watching my short reality view, hit the button section and get subscribed. Thank you. I have already written my description, guys. Then I have to save. I have saved my description. I go back to my setting. Now this is my setting, guys. You can see this is my setting. Reduce glad, improve light view, push notification. So guys, if you want YouTube to pay you in your currency, US dollar, you have to check your currency. YouTube pay a lot of content creator. So in your country you are staying, you can choose your country's currency and you get paid by YouTube when you have been finally monetized. Then I have to put my currency USD, US dollar. This is the currency I want YouTube to pay me when I'm finally approved by monetize. Then guys, I click back. So guys, this is the actually end of how to set up your YouTube account. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the button section and also subscribe to my channel. So that is how you actually set up your YouTube account. So guys, I hope this video today has been helpful to you. Please, I want you to hit at the bottom section, subscribe to my channel, and also drop your comments at below comment sections, and also stick to my next video for my next update. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time.